Alright, Tarnim Magic Garden. Oh, so painting 100, it's like $5. The crazy sandstone. The water was pretty much cheap, they're pretty much concrete and pretty much man-made it. Let's go in the house. Alright, Tarnim Magic Garden. You can see how magic it is. It has to be a little waterfall and some botanical garden thing with Buddha. So we'll see. Oh, so painting 100, it's like $5. We'll see how good it is. It's not really big. Crazy sandstone boy fish looks like. It's carved out here. The waterfall's pretty much cheap, they're pretty much concrete and pretty much man-made it. I don't know. I think there's nothing really up there, it's a bit flat. I'll just explore down here. We paid them, I was able to get better look. We go in the house. Let's go in the house. Honey, I'm home. Oh, she's cleaned me out, the kids and everything. They even stole the kitchen sink, people. That's it, I'll close the windows, I've had enough. I can't even close it, it's seized. The ladies downstairs. It's like a double story, let's have a look at the back here. How to get up, no internal stairs. Underground scooter parking if you get in. This is crazy. Someone's spent a lot of time to make this, so little rocks and everything. It's crazy. Yeah, double story. Let's go up the top. Look at this. Cobra. That's sick. Wow. This is better than what I thought it would be. Someone broke the windows out. This is the apartment for Mulga to stay. Next door. I don't know how long this will actually survive before it starts to really break and rot away. Look at this roof. Look at the architecture to do this. The hours of carving, that is wild. You almost climbed the house. What? This is sick, eh? Wow. So there's a bat right there. Wow. That was weird. It's not even a dark hole for him. It does smell a bit here. It doesn't smell like bats, but it smells like shit. This little balcony little thing. Living house number 2's upstairs. The steep incline staircase. This is going to break off because every cunt's going to try and climb them. Look how the other one rusted off. All these coins are on the rock there, you can't miss that. That's looking the other way. And bats in here. Hello bat, where are you? They definitely, oh yeah. Look at that. Look, 6 of them there. That's disturbing. At least they're not attacking me. I don't know how long this path goes for, but I don't think it's that long. There's so much going on here. Let's do a full loop. Well, this is definitely something different. I didn't even realise there was even a waterfall here until I zoomed on the map 5 seconds ago driving past. Make your offerings to Buddha. All kinds are in the clay. It's weird. He gave him a drink because he's thirsty. Oh, there's another waterfall here. That's all gazebo. There's a little man-made cascade thing. We've been walking for a while. We'll hit the rope there. What the hell, eh? That's wild. Wow. This is definitely interesting. How many statues there are? 3, 4, 5. About 12. I'm just thinking like Bali had loads of statues and stuff, and this is the first one I've really seen in Koh Samui. It's good, right? Wow. This is just wild making this. This guy had a lot of time on his hands. Sitting up in the forest here, just scraping away at rock. Going to the top here. I'm almost just keeping this whole recording in real time because there's so much stuff close together. That is crazy. Look at the detail on the shirt. That's cool, that is. It's got big feet though. I think it's a portrait to a Thai person. Wow. Almost captured the real essence of a real person's face, eh? More bats need a little bat crap. Hello. One day you'll be a good school kid. What's up the secret track? Secret track! There's someone's house. Back way in. It's a warrior and a half. Cool. I was looking forward. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that little journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, check it out if you're in the area. Catch you guys the next one, eh? Peace out.